Mamamatay akong hindi man lang nakikita ang ningning ng bukang liwayway sa aking bayan. Kayong mga makakakita, salubungin ninyo siya at huwag ninyong kalimutan ang mga taong nalugmok sa dilim ng gabi.
Jose Portasio Rizal, Mercado y Alonso Realonda, the national hero of the Philippines, was a man of extraordinary talent, intellect, and courage. Rizal's life was marked by a relentless pursuit of knowledge, justice, and freedom. Through his writings, activism, and ultimate sacrifice, Rizal left an indelible mark on the Philippines' history and inspired generations of Filipinos to strive for independence and self-determination. Early life was shaped by his family's modest means and his own insatiable curiosity. He was the seventh of 11 children born to Francisco Mercado Rizal and Teodora Alonso Realonda. Rizal's parents encouraged his love of learning, and he proved to be a prodigious student. He attended the Ateneo Municipal de Manila, where he excelled his studies and developed his skills in writing, painting, and sculpture. His writings were a powerful expression of his nationalism and his desire for reform. Rizal's writing, his two novels, Noli Me Tangere, Touch Me Not, and El Filibusterismo, The Reign of Greed, exposes the abuses of the Spanish colonial system and advocate for social change. These works were banned by the Spanish authorities, but they circulated widely among the Filipino people, inspiring a sense of national pride and resistance. Rizal's life was cut short when he was executed by firing squad on December 30, 1896. He was 35 years old. The Spanish authorities had accused him for treason, sedition, and conspiracy. Rizal's martyrdom sparked widespread outrage and galvanized the Filipino people to take up arms against their colonial oppressors. Today, Jose Rizal remembered as a hero and a symbol of the Philippines' independence. His legacy extends far beyond his own country, inspiring people around the world to fight justice, equality, and freedom. Rizal's life and work remind us that even in the face of overwhelming adversity, one person can make the difference and leave a lasting impact on history.